Hello again. Welcome to New Technology number 4. You must be tired of me by now. Okay, number 4 I've chosen, now after my last New Technology as a youngsters, I've chosen for a more grown-up audience, well, semi-grown-up audience, teachers. It's good. I'd never heard of this. Again, I just found it on my web, really. Education Week. It's got everything, really. Elections, everything related to education news. Just click on whichever one you like, and there's your story. Helps us keep up with current affairs, and it's, yes, again, I've never even considered looking at something like this, but it's got a lot. It's got a lot of information. A lot of information. This election is traumatizing for many students and educators, but I won't go there. I won't talk about elections. I'm well out of that. Okay, right. Why did I select a particular resource? Well, I had one for the kids, news site, so why not have a news site for parents and, well, teachers, really. This is aimed at teachers. What was your purpose, goals, objectives? Keep apprised of current innovations, current news, and current trends and current problems in the education. This site's got it all. Who was your intended audience? Obviously, us co-workers, teachers. Possibly parents as well, actually. Okay. 2ISTE standards. Okay, I had a look at this and I'm an R-ing a bit on this one. I eventually went for, where are we? 1C, model digital citizenship by evaluating online resources, contribute to positive social change. I'm tongue twisted here. Okay. That's 1C I've gone as my first ISTE standard. Second one was 5C, which I think it actually fitted in better with 5C. Use technology to regularly engage in reflective practices that support personal and professional growth. Definitely, I think it definitely fits in with that one. Okay, how I created the finished product is basically just a website. You hit it in your browser and press, well, enter. You're on there. I signed up again. It's great, yeah, easy, easier than I expected. There's so much information out there which I never knew existed, and it's a lot easier to access than I ever thought before. So absolutely fantastic. Okay, have I kept anything? Probably waffling for nearly 2 to 3 minutes now. So yeah, again, sign up, log in, off you go. Okay, I had to say what sort of what department I was in as well. You know, you're a teacher, are you an administrator? It's basic. So yeah, if you've not looked at this, have a look because it's well interesting. Okay, right. I'll see you for number 5. Okay, take care, guys. Bye bye.